Welcome back to Accountant Cyrus. If you are running a small business in Kenya, avoid these 5 deadly budgeting mistakes which are costing your business. The first one is mixing business income with personal income. If you cannot tell how much money is for business and how much is for personal use, then how are you going to grow? You need to open a separate bank account for business income alone. The second one is spending everything in a good month. To be honest, 1 month income is not a guarantee. You need to save some money. The third one is no record keeping. If you don't track your expenses, then you are driving blind. Use a notebook, an app, or an Excel to record your expenses, and that way you'll be able to track them. The fourth one is no budget for reinvestment. You need to put some money aside to grow the business stock, marketing, and equipment. The fifth one is ignoring taxes. Don't wait for KRA to remind you. Budget for taxes on a monthly basis. And to give you a quick tip, write down all your income and expenses weekly and not yearly. Thanks for watching. Let's meet on the next video.